Your attachment style on YouTube is causing you heartbreak. And let's talk about that today because oftentimes we get too attached on focusing on the wrong things on YouTube. As consumers and producers, we often produce out there, but we need to focus on quality content as opposed to quantity. Oftentimes, we decide to create videos, but are we really putting substance in our video? Are we really assessing and searching? Are we really doing market research to know what our customers and consumers are looking for? Well, that's the thing. What we have to do is to learn to detach from individual videos and learn on consistent flow. We focus too much on the wrong things. And as a result of that, we are unmotivated to push forward with our content. Another thing that is causing heartbreak is relying on too much validation. If we don't get likes and comments and engagement, then we are unmotivated. We do not want to work. We do not want to produce. And we can't do that. You see, at the end of the day, the algorithm is looking to structure our knowledge base and provide it to the right people who wants them. Does that mean you should stop just because things aren't happening out to your expectation right away? No. How about assessing? How about start doing your market research thoroughly? How about going to your competitors and seeing the words that they use, the keyword phrase, how they start their intro? What are the action words that they use in their video so you can capitalize on it and start to try and test for yourself? Authenticness is what sells. Oftentimes, you want to replicate what we see out there, but there's nothing wrong having a YouTube mentor, whereas you can see the style of their videos and tweak yours. I didn't say to copy now, I said to optimize and tweak yours. If you continue to seek validation, you will be burnt out. So come up with a content value strategy as opposed to validation from your audience. Another attachment is fear of experimental with your YouTube channel. You see, sometimes we stick in the same style. We don't want to change things up. We don't want to become adaptable. We don't want to change things just to see the reaction of our audience. In most cases, we do the same thing, and as a result, we get the same results. When things aren't working out to your expectation, this means jump out of fear, continue to try different things, test it, tweak it, assess it, and whatever is working for you, and then you replicate it and tweak it. What you have to understand is being too attached to your style and the way how you conduct your videos will stagnate your growth. You got to just change it up in a bit. Look how this world is. Assess it. It's rapidly changed. What used to be popular then is not popular now. Look at this world, how it's going. Everything right now is authenticness and reality. People love to watch reality. So if you're someone out here who is editing and doing all these fancy stuff, this is not working anymore on YouTube. YouTube is looking for authenticness, reality. And at the end of the day, and they're looking for real people who mean something that can add substance to their viewers. At the end of the day, don't be in fear of trying. Don't be attached to focusing on the wrong things. Yet, you want to focus on the right thing and practice consistent flow. Let me know what your thoughts on this video.